All right, today is Saturday, June 19. Nothing is stopping us. Unscrew the bucket.
So we have this is it.
Really thick.
Yeah,
Good
really
quality.
good quality.
Yes.
We can use in any stadium. You can have this
Yes.
kepi grass
Yes.
or in Africa.
Even for home use.
Pack it all today
Sure.
and then be done with work.
Yeah.
Yep. Great job. Okay. It's a rainy day.
Keep it real, 100%.
Right, keep it real.
Yeah, 100%.
Keep it real, right in Shanghai.
这装了一个那么多东西，还等箱子等那么久。我这边还有箱子，我等一下还要加班。司机的呀，司机的问题的呀，我早就到了。No tiene récord. Espera, Venga, venga. No debe entrar, güey, no debe entrar.
Thanks for watching, and if you need anything similar to what you've just watched, let me know at the comment section. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Thank you. Bye bye.